Welcome to another amazing episode of Alex Makes It Amazing, where I look at amazing things. This amazing episode is all about natural selection. Natural selection helps explain why there's millions of amazing, diverse species on the planet. Natural selection needs 3 ingredients, and chefs are great at combining ingredients. So let's see if my favorite chefs can figure out the recipe for natural selection with an amazing cooking competition. Let's meet our competitors. With us today is Julia Kidd. Our next chef is Jordan Ragi.
Yeah? Is that it? Do you have what you need?
Our newest celebrity chef is Stevie Williams. And finally, the Norwegian Chef. You all right there, chef? The challenge for our contestants is to find the right ingredients, and in order for natural selection to take place, you need 3 ingredients: variation, heritability, and reproductive advantage. Without those 3 ingredients, there's no selection. Let's start with Julia Kidd. What ingredients were you able to grab to create selection?
So many people are scared to learn about evolution. Oh, I can't learn about that, they say. But you have to develop a French attitude and say, ce n'est pas la mer et boire, which means it's not that difficult. You should say, I can learn this, because if you don't learn evolution, you won't understand the rest of biology, and that's what that little lecture was about. So, let's see what ingredients we have. Let's see here. We've got a feather, and that's a foot. Et voila! Ha ha ha! Apples! Oh! Look at all of this variation. We've got speckly apples and lush red apples and crisp green apples.
Apples are an example of selective breeding, also known as artificial selection. They are not an example of natural selection.
Of course! Quel dommage! Well, au revoir, apples! Still, you should not let food go to waste. If your souffle falls, call it fallen souffle cake, and your secret will be safe with me. And now, Julia Kidd presents Variation aux Pommes. Now, imagine I had several of the same kind of green apple. Now, you would notice that there are differences in between the same apples, just like, oh, there's differences between you and me, and you and the person you're sitting next to, and you and every other human on the planet. And that's variation. Bon appetit.
Our chef Julia Kidd did a terrific job with variation, but she's still missing 2 ingredients in order for natural selection to take place.
Oh.
Let's see what Jordan Ragi has for us.
Oh, come on! Come on! No, I don't bloody care, okay? Well, go ahead. Sue me then. No, I wouldn't feed that to a dog. And I hate dogs, especially puppies. Ugh, puppies. No, you know what? Get out. Just get out.
Jordan Ragi, we are rolling right now.
Well, I was only able to get heritability. Look. Look! Look!
What can you do with that?
Well, I know you can't make natural selection with just heritability. I mean, I don't even know what it is.
I can help. I even have animation that will make it more amazing. Variation is written in our genes. Those differences have to be inheritable or passed on from parents to children. That's heritability. And now, for the all-important taste test.
Nope. That is not the recipe for natural selection. What am I? An idiot sandwich? What am I? An idiot sandwich?
Jordan Ragi, we don't use that word. Besides, there's nothing wrong with not knowing something. We're here to learn, and learning is amazing! Next up, all the way from Oslo, is our Norwegian chef. I think we'll just skip over our felt chef and move on to Stevie Williams. What do you have for us?
Well, while Chef Julia was looking for butter and Chef Jordan was yelling at a loaf of bread, I managed to grab the 3 essential items for natural selection to take place. They are variation, heritability, and reproductive advantage.
Reproductive advantage. No other chef has picked that. Tell us more.
When a living thing with a certain trait is more successful at reproducing than others, then it has reproductive advantage.
I see. Reproductive advantage means organisms are more likely to produce babies that will then carry the parent's traits.
Variation, heritability, and reproductive advantage must be present for natural selection to take place.
Since Stevie Williams was the only cook to use all 3 ingredients to create natural selection, we have a clear winner. Stevie Williams is our champion.
Oh, what? Come on! This garbage, and you know it!
That was amazing! Now, boogie on down to the Science Museum of Minnesota to experience more.